2018 seems to be the year of project pans for me, as this is now my third project pan I kind of have going. I guess this year I just want to get my bang for my buck. I spent my money on this stuff. I want to finally get the use out of it, so what better way to do that than to do 5 million different project pans. So this one is going to be a Pan That palette. I've seen a lot of people do it, and honestly I think this might be one of the most challenging ones, just because I seem to want to jump from palette to palette to palette. So I guess we're gonna try and do our best and use one palette, or maybe focus on one palette and kind of incorporate other ones. But essentially by the end of this year, not only do I want to hit pan on all shades, but if possible maybe officially use up the palette. It'll be my first palette I ever get rid of, so it's gonna be glorious. We'll have to celebrate, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. We gotta pan that palette first. And that palette is going to be the Nude Dude Volume 2 by theBalm. Essentially this is just 12 shades of nude colors with a couple of fun colors here on the end. There's a nice mix of matte shades and some shimmer shades, and this is what it currently looks like. As you can see, it doesn't look like there's much progress on anything. I have used some of these shades quite a bit, especially these two over here, and then these ones down here. Other than that, I've kind of dipped into the other ones occasionally. They haven't gotten much use, but that's about to change because this palette is going to be gone in the next 365 days. So if you're planning to pan a palette this year, let me know what it is down below. I know I'm watching a couple channels already who are doing them. Let's support each other. We've got this. Let's get our money's worth out of our products, and I will see you next month for an update on how panning this palette is going. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.